In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop snap in Canva. If you've ever tried to move a small icon, line, text box, or photo frame, just a tiny amount, you've probably noticed Canva likes to snap elements into place automatically. That can be helpful sometimes, but when you want very precise control, it can also get frustrating fast. The good news is that Canva gives you a couple of simple ways to work around that. Whether you only need to disable snapping for a moment or turn it off for your whole editing session. First, open the Canva project you want to work on. From your Canva home screen, find your recent design and open it so it loads into the main editing canvas. Once you're inside the design, make sure you're focused on the canvas area so you can clearly see the element you want to move. Next, click on the specific item you want to reposition. This could be a text box, an icon, a shape, or an image. When it's selected, you'll see the bounding box and handles appear around it, which confirms that Canva is ready for you to move or adjust that element. Now, for the quickest method, if you want to temporarily stop snapping while you drag, press and hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac. Keep holding that key as you click and drag the selected element across the canvas. As you do this, Canva stops forcing the object to snap to guides, making it much easier to place it exactly where you want. This is especially useful when you only need fine control for one or two adjustments and don't want to change your overall settings. If you'd rather turn snapping off more broadly, move your cursor to the top left area of Canva and click File. In the drop-down menu, look for View Settings. Hover over that to open the side menu, then find the option called Snap to Guides. Click it once to uncheck it. Once that setting is off, Canva will stop snapping elements to guides across your current workspace, which can make detailed layouts much easier to manage. After that, if you want even more precision, keep the element selected and use the arrow keys on your keyboard. This lets you nudge the object little by little until the spacing feels right. It's a great final adjustment technique after dragging. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner, click Share, then Download, choose PNG if that's the format you want, and click Download again to export your design. That's it. You now know how to stop snap in Canva, take back control of your layout, and place elements exactly where you want them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.